High Absorption Magnesium for muscle and heart health. Description: science-based nutrition. Helps support bone, heart, nerve and muscle health. Dietary supplement. Non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, vegan. Doctor's Best High Absorption Magnesium uses a patented, organic, chelated delivery form of magnesium to optimize bioavailability and GI tolerance. It is not buffered and more absorbable than magnesium oxide. Magnesium is an essential dietary mineral that plays many important roles, which include helping cells produce metabolic energy, supporting optimum nerve function, helping muscles relax properly and maintaining a healthy heartbeat. Helps support normal magnesium levels that decrease with age. Made with a patented, organic form of bioavailable magnesium that is 100% chelated. Contains magnesium chelated with amino acids, L-Lysine and L-Glycine, providing high absorption. Suggested use: take 2 tablets twice daily, or as recommended by a nutritionally informed physician. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, cross-carmellose sodium, hypermallose and hydroxypropyl cellulose. Coating: magnesium stearate, vegetable source, stearic acid. Warnings: store in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.